So the Future Aerospace Test environment is a test and demonstration zone for low carbon aviation in the heart of the southwest of England. So in effect it is a living laboratory for the aviation industry to develop low carbon aircraft technology, for example, on the electric fueled or hydrogen fueled or maybe unmanned aerial vehicles such as drones.
Key thing about the Southwest is it's the second biggest aerospace cluster in Europe. We have the capability of building whole aircraft with Leonardo helicopters, and we have a fantastic opportunity in terms of design, manufacture, test and maintenance repair in the Southwest. So as a region, we're actually quite unique.
I know I speak for all of the employees here when we're very proud that we've got a very long manufacturing history here over 100 years, and we're very proud that we consider ourselves the home of British helicopters. And it's exciting for us therefore that we're sat here this morning in iAero, which we very much see as the next chapter of that history for us. So what we want to do here is allow this to be a free space, a sandbox for creativity, to allow us to have all of those different parties come together.
In November 2021, at Centreline Bristol, we equipped our latest generation military helicopter, the AW149, with a blend of sustainable aviation fuel. The capability is now there, and not only on the AW149, but across the entire Leonardo helicopter fleet, thus enabling our operators to make greener choices for future flights.
So the G7 Summit was held last year, and we were able to support that operation down in Newquay by having the Ospreys based here. They were here for a week and they were supporting the US President. It's really important for us to be part of the decarbonisation of the aviation system, right the way through from aircraft, which was part of the 2.0 project, down to ground handling and support equipment. Our part of the project was to understand what we needed to do in terms of infrastructure to help us decarbonise.
ATR are in advanced testing with various supporting operations of SAF fuel systems, and we're working closely with ATR ourselves on how us as an MRO, a maintenance facility, can support that operation moving forward. The Southwest, and particularly here in Exeter, has so much to offer as for future aviation and sustainable aviation. We're a small community here on the airport, a fantastic MRO facility with room for growth, with Exeter Airport and the Future Skills Centre just based across the road.
We've got various different aviation training devices for cabin crew, as well as our engineering hangar and engineering workshop for our aeronautical students. The Future Skills Centre supports local and regional projects, and we've been supportive of Ampere's Future Flight programme, and we see that as instrumental in terms of providing us with insights into future skills for our aviation students. So we're working with our partners to incorporate the future skills requirements into our curriculum now, so that we're ready for the requirement going forward in the future.
So the skills we're learning at the moment is like hand skills, engineering, or getting used to the engines, working on them, having the opportunity to do hand skills and developing that to actually work in industry itself. So they're getting us prepared for that.
Having the jet stream here on site is a good opportunity due to the fact that I'm able to come here whenever I want and just have a look and actually put what I've learned in this classroom into practice.
So as part of the training at the college, we provide them with skills in sheet metal, machining, composite engineering with an aviation basis. And we've also been looking at producing a hybrid power and battery cell centre in conjunction with iAero and Leonardo to help try and develop the future skills.
So we cover a range of skills from sheet metal, working with composites, also skills like 3D printing, working with CAD as well with all of the software. Also the electrical side, so we do both practical and theory with that. Look, it's a really broad range of skills that we cover.
Well, in my view and the Council's view, aviation has no other alternative but to look to move away from fossil fuel technology, and so we are very pleased that Exeter, with all of the educational establishments around here, support from all the various councils including ours, are looking to back the new green emerging sector, and it looks good. It looks like there are plenty of experimental flights to come. We really look forward to seeing how they produce results.